working in Sri Sathya Sai High School as a maths teacher for first and second class. Okay children, now before we go to class, I want to tell you some care things. Okay children, listen all of you. Don't go outside to anywhere in any time, especially for children. Please, if you want to go compulsory, you have to use mask and sanitizer. Stay home, stay safe. For example, you are at your home, wash your hands within every 15 minutes with hand washer. And listen your parents and follow them. Okay children, thank you. Now we are go to our classes. Today our topics are additions, subtractions and multiplications. Here children, today our three topics are additions, subtractions and multiplication. Okay children, now we go to learn about additions. Shall we start children how to do the additions? Come, let's see the blackboard all of you. I am doing now first example. 5, 4. One more thing is there children. This is the symbol of additions. This is the symbol of additions. It is called plus. What is it children? It is called plus. Plus is used for only additions. Okay children, additions. This symbol is plus. Now we are doing this addition. Look and carefully all of you children how to do this addition. See here children, what is this number? Yes, correct. It is 5. Now we will take first 5 dots. Okay children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We took here 5 dots. Next see the second number. Which is this number? 4. Okay children. Now we will take 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now finish the taking the dots. First we took 5 dots. Second time we took 4 dots. Now we do all. How many dots are here? Shall we count children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't stop here. Let's continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, how many is the total dots here? 9. Very good. This is the answer. Understand children? Now we did addition. It is called plus. Plus is the symbol of addition. First 5 plus 4. We took here 5 dots and took here 4 dots. After we add total dots, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is the answer. Understand children how to do the addition? Now we are going to do one more example. Okay children? 6, 3. What is it children? What is this symbol? S. Plus. It is plus. Now we are doing 6 plus 3. Okay children, shall we do this addition? Now, see this first number children. Which number is this? 6. 6. Now, we will take 6 dots first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, see here children. Which number is this? Yes, correct. It is 3. Now, we will take 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. Okay, finished our dots. Now, we will count it. How many dots are total here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, how many total dots are here? 9. So, the answer is 9. Okay, children, did you understand how to do the additions? Now, we will do some more examples in additions. We will learn how to do the additions in 2-digit example children. 2, 3. 2, 3, 23. Very good. Next 4, 5. 4, 5, 45. It is called plus. Okay children. Now we will learn how to do the 2-digit additions. First, look here children. It is ones place and it is tens place. Okay children, did you remember? It is ones line, ones digit. It is tens digit. Now we will do first in 1 digit line. 1 digit numbers we have to do the first addition. Okay, look here. Which is this number? 3. Now how many dots will take now? 3, because it is 3. Now we will take 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. Next, see this number children. Which is this number? 5. So we will take 5 dots. 5. Now we will do total dots. How many is there? Shall we count now children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many total dots here? 8 dots. 8. Very good. Next, come to tens digit. Ones digit finished. Now we will do tens digit. See here children, which is this? 2. So we will take 2 dots only. 1, 2. Next, see here children, what is this number? 4. Now we will take 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, taking dots are finished. Now we will count now. How many total dots here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total dots are 6. So the answer is 6, 8. 6, 8, 68. 68 is the answer of 23 plus 45. I hope you understand children how to do the addition with 2-digit number. Okay children. Now we will go to do one more example in 2-digit. Okay children. 4, 2. 4 to 42 and 3, 5. 3, 5, 35. Plus. What is it children? It is plus. Okay. Now we will do 42 plus 35. Okay children. Listen carefully all of you. It is ones digit. It is ones digit. It is tens digit. It is tens digit. This is ones digit and this is tens digit. Okay. Now see this all of you. 2. Now we will take 2 dots. 1, 2. Next see here children. This is 5. Now how many dots will take now? 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now shall we count total dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 7 dots are total here. One's line digit total answer is 7. Now we are doing here. Which digit? This one? Tens digit. Very good. It is tens digit. T for tens, O for ones. Now we are doing tens digit. How? This, look here children. What is this? 4. Now we will take 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see here children. It is 3. Now we will take 1, 2, 3. 3 dots. Now finish the taking dots. Now shall we count total children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7, 7, 77. 7, 7, 77. Okay children, did you understand how to do the additions in single digit lines and double digit lines? Okay children, we learn now additions. Additions symbol is plus. Plus is used only for additions. I hope you understand children how to do the additions. Now we are going to learn about subtractions. Okay children? Now we are going to learn subtractions. S-U-B-T-R-A, subtraction. C-T-I-O-N, subtraction. What is it children? This is. It is called minus. It is called minus. Say all of you children, what is it? It is minus. Minus only used for subtraction. Okay, now we will learn how to do the subtractions. Okay, children, I will do few examples for you. 5, 3. Okay, children, 5 minus. What is it, children? Minus. It is only used for subtractions. 5 minus 3. Now we will take first 5 dots as like additions. Okay, children, we will take now first 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now see here, children, 3. Now we will cross 3 dots. Okay, children, why we cross 3 dots? Because here 5 minus 3. So we cross 3 lines from here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 lines are crossed. Now how many remaining dots? Any dots are remaining here? Yes, remaining dots are here. How many remains? 2 dots. Okay, so the answer is 2. Okay, children, did you understand? Now I am going to do one more example. 7, 4 minus 7 minus 4. Okay, children, now how many dots will take now? See first here. What? It is 7. Now we will take 7 dots. Let's count and take. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 7 dots are finished. Now look here. It is 4. Now how many dots will cross now? See here. There is 4. So we cross 4 dots are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finish. 4 dots are we crossed. Now how many remaining dots are here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So 3 dots are remaining here. So the answer is 3. I hope you understand, children, how to do the subtraction in single digit. Okay, children. Now we go to how to do the subtraction in 2 digit. Okay, children. Now we are going to learn how to do the subtraction in 2 digits. Okay, children. Look here, all of you. Listen carefully. Okay, children. 2, 5, 25 and 1, 3, 13. 25, 30. Now we are using here this symbol. What is this symbol? What is it called? It is called minus. Okay. 23 minus 30. Shall we do, children, this subtraction? Okay. First, we will take 5 dots here. Okay, children. It is not. It is in 1 digit. It is tens digit. Okay, children. Which digit we will do now first? Any time we will do in 1 digit. Okay, children. We will start from any type 1 digit. Okay. Now see here, children. It is 5. Now we will take 5 flowers. 5 flowers for you, children. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. We draw 5 flowers. Now, how many flowers will cross now? See here. Here is 3. Now, we cross 3 flowers. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 flowers are finished. Now, any remaining flowers are there? Yes, there are 2 flowers are remain. 1, 2. So, the answer is 2. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Okay, children, finish the 1 digit subtraction. Now we are going to tens digit. Okay, children, see here it is 2. Now we are taking 2 flowers. 1, 2. Okay. In these 2 flowers, how many flowers will cross now? See here. 1. one flower we crossed. How many remain flowers are here? Yes, one flower is remain. One flower is remain. So the answer is 1. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. So the answer is 12. Did you understand, children, how to do the subtraction with 2-digit numbers? Okay, children, I hope you understand, but I will go one more example for you. Now we are doing second example in subtraction with 2 digits. Okay, children, 4, 6, 4, 6, 46, 2, 3, 23. Minus, that means 46 minus 23. Okay, children, 46 minus 23. If this is ones digit, this is tens digit. Okay, children, ones go for ones and t for tens. Listen and observe all of you and remember all of you also. Go for ones, t for tens. Now we will do first ones digit. See here, children, 6. Now we will take 6 chocolates. Okay, children, 6 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now we took here 6 chocolates. How many chocolates will cross now? See here, 3. So we crossed 3 chocolates. 1, 2, 3. Finished. How many remaining is there? Chocolates. How many remain there? Yes, 3 chocolates are remain there. 1, 2, 3. So that 3 here. 6 minus 3 equal to 3. Once digit finished, now we are going to tens digit. Okay, children. See here, 4. Now we will take 4 chocolates. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Well, 4 chocolates we took now. See here, 2. Now we will cross 2 chocolates. 1, 2. How many remain chocolates here? 2 chocolates are remain. So the answer is 2. So answer is 2, 3, 23. Okay, children, understand all of you how to do the subtraction. What is it, children? Say all of you. It is subtraction. It is subtraction. The symbol is called minus. It is called minus. For additions we use this one, children. For additions we use this one. It is called plus like this. For additions we use like this. It is called minus. Minus used only for subtraction. Okay, children. Whenever you do first, do in ones digit. After then you have to do in tens digit. Then you will get the answer. Okay, children. I hope you understand how to do the subtraction in single digit and 2 digit. Now we are going to our third topic. Our third topic is multiplication. Now we are going to learn multiplication. What is it, children? Multiplication. M-U-L-T-I. Multi. P-L-I. Plication. C-A-T-I-O-N. Multiplication. What is it, children? Say all of you. Multiplication. Multiplication. It is multiplication. The multiplication symbol is into. Multiplication symbol is into. That means there are 2 crossed lines. Okay, children, multiplication symbol is, it is called into. Like this, there are 2 crossed lines. Okay, now we will do how to do the multiplications. Okay, children. 5 into 2 equal to dash. 5 into 2. That means we have take 5 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many balls we took here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But actually we take 5 2 times. We took here 5 one time only. Another time we take 5 more balls. One more 5 balls. Okay. Now see here children, 5 into 2. That means we will take 5 2 times. That is called 5 into 2 multiplication. 5, 5, 1, 5, second 5. So the total balls how many here? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that means 5 into 2 equals to 1, 0, 10. This is the answer. Understand children? 5, 2 into multiplication. Okay. In this multiplication, 5 is called multiplicand. Okay children, here all of you, in this 5, the upper number we are called multiplicand. Say all of you children, multiplicand. Now the down number, the second number is called multiplier. Which number is multiplying here? Which number is multiplying here? The number 2. It is called multiplier. 5 into 2. What is our answer? 10. The 10 is called productor. Productor. The answer is called productor. Okay children. 5 is multiplicand, 2 is multiplier and the answer is called productor. Understand children? Here all of you, 5 is. Which number is multiplied? Here. That is called multiplicand. Which number is multiplication? That is called multiplier. The answer is productor. Okay children, I hope you understand, but I will go few more examples for you. See here children, example 1. 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 3. 2 is multiplied by 3. Okay children. Now see here how to do the multiplication. First, like this. Read like this all of you. 3 into 2. That means we have 3. Take 2 times. We have this 3. Take 2 times. For example children, 3 balls and 3. How many times we will take now? 2 times. Again we will take 3 balls. Okay. 2 into 3. That means 2 is multiplied by 3. Now shall we count this total balls? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 2 into 3 equals to 6. Okay. Here 2 is multiplicand. The 2 is here multiplicand and the 3 is multiplier. Multiplier and what is the productor here? Yes, correct. The answer is. That means 6 is the productor. Understand children how to do the subtractions? 2 into 3. Answer is 6. 2 is multiplicand. 2 is called multiplicand. 3 is multiplier and 6 is productor. Understand children? But I want to tell you one more example. 5 into 2. Now here listen all of you and do the observation carefully, children. 5 into 2, that means 5 is multiplied by 2. How to read now? We have to read 2 5s are. 2 5s are. You know 2 table, children? So read the 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 5. Okay. 2 5s are 10. Once again, I will tell you. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. How much, children? 2 5s are 10. So the answer is 10. Here 5 is multiplicand, 2 is multiplier, and the 10 is producted. Understand, children? I hope you understand these 3 topics. First from additions and subtractions, and the last topic is multiplications. I hope you understand which lessons has tell you today. These 3 topics. If you have any doubts, you can ask me and send a voice message in our WhatsApp number. I hope you understand, children, our today 3 topics. Stay home, stay safe, listen your parents, and be a good children at your home. We will meet again in the next session. Okay, children? Thank you. Bye.